Why is this the most difficult thing on the face of the planet right now? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are thinking that my eyelashes look super dramatic, you are absolutely correct, because I am actually doing a quick product test on the Belle Chloe Wake Up and Makeup eyelashes, which are these. They're really intense. They are magnetic. They do come in this really nifty case. Mine had them all tucked inside nicely in here. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. And they were laid out really nicely, and they were very easy to figure out what to put on what the way that they were laid out, so that was nice. This company, Belle Chloe, actually sent me 3 total, so they sent me 1 for myself, and then they actually sent me 2 to give out to my subscribers. So I will be giving 1 out here on my YouTube, and I will be doing the other one on my Instagram. So if you guys are interested in these lashes after you see me apply them, and after you've seen them on me, then you guys can enter. It's really easy. So in order to enter here on YouTube, all you have to do is just be subscribed to my channel, have your subscriptions public so I can see you're subscribed, and just leave me a comment, any comment, doesn't matter what you say. And the second way to enter will be on my Instagram. I'll go ahead and link that above. And the rules to my Instagram one will be over on my Instagram. So that one's easy as well. And actually you have a better chance of winning on my Instagram just because I don't have near the amount of followers as I do here. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I applied these and what I think about them, then just keep watching. So this is what the package actually looks like. They sent me a tester. So you have the lashes, and then you have the tiny little pieces that you connect to the magnets. It also comes with a little instruction sheet here that shows you how to apply it with these tweezers, which I guess have magnets in them so you can grip the lashes and put them on. But the curve of this does not match the curve of like my eyeball. Like my eyeball is a lot more curved, if you can see that. I don't know how I'm supposed to clip one end and then the other end simultaneously with this curved lash applicator. And then basically it shows you how to do step by step for it. So remove lashes, hold top lash, position it, leave it without blinking, and then place the bottom lashes. So I'm going to zoom in and attempt to apply these, so let's see how this works. It does look like on the lash band itself that they cannot be trimmed. So if these are too big for my eyes, I think I can only clip like a millimeter off of the ends, and that's it before I ruin the magnet potentially. So that is the one drawback of these, is they cannot be trimmed. There's not a size for like a small eye, a medium eye, or a large eye where you can like clip them to make them smaller. So unfortunately, if these are too big for my eyes, they're gonna look really weird, but I'm still gonna put them on for you guys. Okay, I seem to have put them on, and I think they actually might fit. They're just gonna go in really close to my inner corner, which isn't bad. That's fine. It is really convenient. This does have a mirror. What's up, camera? So you guys can easily put these on straight from the container. I am going to start at this end first. So let's see how that works. Sliding forward. Hold on. No, why does it keep sliding forward? I need you to stay where I put you, buddy. Just stay right there. Don't move. Okay, you moved. Stop being a butthead. Stay right. Oh my gosh, what are you doing? Stay. Right there. It said don't blink. Okay, hold on. Stay right there. Right there. No. That looks ridiculous. Hold on. Stay. No. Okay. I think I need to move my mirror because I can't see what I'm doing. I don't even... Oh! I dropped the lashes! This is so funny. Okay. Do not move, buddy. Just stay where you are. Alright. I got it. Why is this the most difficult thing on the face of the planet right now? What? Why didn't you magnetize? Or are you magnetized? Okay, I think you are. But not even close to the way that you're supposed to be. No. That looks horrible. Practice makes perfect. Where's the magnet? There it is, right there. Right, I want you right on my lash, buddy. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think okay. This side is way too long and I can't trim it. So if your eyes look as tiny as mine, I don't think these will fit you. Okay, right there. And up, up. Okay. Okay, there we go. Oh, I think I got it. Okay, it's actually stuck to my skin. Ow. Ow. Okay, there we go. Okay, you guys, let's see how this looks. This is, I'm going to try and look down so you can see. Can you see it? Yeah. This is what it looks like if I were to look down. That's actually not bad. I think some other magnetic lashes I have look a lot worse. This does have kind of that weird bunch thing where it does between the magnets. It kind of has like that straight line, as you can see there. But for the most part, when I look up, they're very fluttery. They're not poking me, actually. I thought they'd be poking me like everywhere, but they're pretty fluttery and they're very intense. They are very full lashes. They are super dramatic. So if you guys like that and you guys have tiny eyes like mine, I think you could potentially wear these without some issues. So I'm gonna put on the other set of lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I have both pairs on. These are super intense. I actually did this one a little bit faster just because I realized what I was doing wrong with this one. You know, by just trying to keep it in focus for the camera, I was able to get it a lot better off camera. So just keep that in mind as well, you guys. Unless you're doing a video recording yourself putting them on, I think you guys could get the hang of these really easily. But that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you in my next one. Bye!